Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry. Today is Tuesday and I have got an awesome tip for you today. If you can't tell, I'm pretty excited about this one because it's something that I didn't know until recently, so I just found out about it, and that is how to make aquafaba. And I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. If not, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to make it, and that's what is important. So what is it? And it is the liquid that comes from when you cook chickpeas. It's the liquid that's left over. So you can obtain it two ways. You can either cook your chickpeas yourself and reserve the liquid, or you can just buy canned chickpeas, which I prefer. So I've got 2 cans of chickpeas here, and one of them I've already got open. The other one, I'm using my Pampered Chef can opener, which I love because it completely unseals the can. So we're going to take that right off. Take the other one off. And as you can see, there's absolutely no sharp edge on here. So this is why I love this can opener. And then to drain these, I'm going to use one more little Pampered Chef product, and that's our can strainer. And it's just really handy. You just put it on the top of your can and flip them over. So I'm going to save my chickpeas. I'm going to make some hummus for a different video. All right, so set these aside. And again, if you're looking for any of the kitchen accessories that I'm using in my videos, the link to my website is in the description below, along with the full recipe, as always. So if I didn't mention this already, you want to make sure you're using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, because it's going to take about 3 to 6 minutes to whip this up. And it'll form into like, I didn't really tell you guys what it was. So aquafaba, it's almost like an egg substitute. It gets really foamy and frothy. So what we're trying to do here is get some nice stiff peaks. So I'm going to beat this for about anywhere from 3 to 6 minutes. Okay, so all in all, it only took about 5 minutes, but I'll be damned, it worked. I almost can't believe it. That's pretty cool, right? So it's got me wondering, so we use chickpeas or garbanzo beans for this. It's got me wondering if I can use other beans to do this with. I actually had posted something yesterday that had garbanzo beans in it, and Heather from Whippoorwill Creations mentioned she actually uses white beans, I think, white, like navy beans, to make her hummus with. And I didn't know you could do that. I just thought they had to be garbanzo beans. And so now I'm wondering if I can do that with all kinds of other beans. I'm wanting to check that out. But speaking of check out, if you haven't checked out Heather's YouTube channel, do so. It's Whippoorwill Creations, and she's got some really fun stuff on there, especially if you're crafty. She does like the acrylic pours. She does wire wrapping like around the beads. Just some really, really fun stuff. Anyway, so now we have this what can we do with it. So it's great for vegan recipes. So I know I have seen vegan recipes, and I'm not a vegan, but I see a lot of recipes out there. I know there's one for sugar cookies. You could use this as an egg binder, or maybe in some vegan waffles. You could use it for like an egg white substitute. And because it does, well, it says, I've been told it works really well for an egg white substitute. I think this would be good like for a meringue, but definitely like some coconut macaroons. That I want to try. So I may just whip out some coconut here today, put it in there and see how that works. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a little bit of information for you. It was for me. It was new. I did not know that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next Tuesday for another tip.